Good morning, class. So today we're looking at the worksheets. We're on worksheet 3. Is that correct? We're on worksheet 3 at this point. And worksheet 3 is on page 80. 83. Huh? 86. 85. Section page 85. Okay. So here we are told in worksheet 3 simplify. People, how many terms are here? How many terms are here? 3 terms. What separates terms? Plus and minus sign. Okay. So before we can add or subtract these terms, I must simplify the terms first. Not so. So is that like terms inside the bracket? Yes. So it's going to be 4a plus 3a is 7a times 2 minus 4a plus 3a times 3 is 9a. You all agree with that? So what is 7a times 2? 14a minus 4a plus 9a. So now gives us what? What is 14a minus 4a? 10a. And 10a plus 9a is 19a. So any confusion here? Right. Number 2, we got 3a into a minus b. A minus 2b, sorry. So is it like terms inside the bracket? No. So I multiply to get rid of the bracket. What is 3a times a? 3a squared. What is 3a times negative 2b? Negative 6a. Is it like or unlike terms? Unlike. So I can't add them. The next one. In the numerator, are they like terms? Is x4 the same as x cubed? Which is the same as x squared? No, it's all unlike. So I can't add them. So what do I do here? Put each one over its own. Not so. So it's going to be 2x4 over negative 2x squared minus 8x cubed over negative 2x squared plus 6x squared over negative 2x squared. So what do I do now? Simplify. Okay, so what's positive divided by negative? Negative. 2 cancels 2, not so. x4 over x squared, x squared. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4, and to 8 4 times. So it's 4. X cubed over x squared, x. What's positive divided by negative? Negative. 6, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6, 3 times. And the x squared is cancelled. So it's 3 over 1, which is? See, any confusion there? Doesn't let me know when you're confused. Or you did it a different way and you got it right or you got it wrong. You can discuss where it's going wrong and why, which rule are you breaking and getting it wrong. Okay. Table number 4, how many terms are there? Sorry? There are 2 terms. What separates terms is? Plus and minus. So we're going to get rid of the bracket by multiplying that in. So it will be a. What's negative b times a? Negative ab. What's negative b times negative b? Positive b squared. It's like or unlike? All unlike. Okay. Next one, number 5. How many terms are here? Huh? 3 terms. Answer? It's also known as what? Trinomial. Okay. We multiply to get rid of this bracket here. So you got a minus b minus a plus b. So what do we look for now? Like terms. What is a minus a? Yes. What's minus b plus b? Cancel. Give me the answer. Next, number 6. We got 2x plus 4 over 2 minus 4x minus 12 over 4. So what is it like terms in the numerator? No. Okay. So what do? I put each one of it. So you're going to say 2x over 2 plus 4 over 2 minus 4x over 4 minus 12 over 4. You all agree with that? I told you yesterday about this. It's not like that. It must be a bracket. Why must there be a bracket? More than one term following a negative sign. Okay. It gives us now, what's 2x over 2? Cancels. X plus 2 going into 1, 2 going into 4? Twice. Minus 4 cancels 4, leaves you with x. 4 going into 4 once, 4 going into 12, 3 times. Minus 3. Now so? Now what do we do? Not like that. Get rid of the bracket. So it's x plus 2 minus x plus 3. So what's x minus x? Cancel. 2 plus 3 is? Okay. So any confusion there? Okay. Number 7. How many terms are here? 1. Also known as what? Monomial. No? Monomial. So we get rid of the brackets by multiplying out. So in other words, that will be 2 over 3 times 9x over 1. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 9, 3 times. 3 times 2x is 6x. Not so? Then we get 2 over 3 multiplied by negative 12 over 1. Negative times positive is negative. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 12, 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Do I have to do that on the side? No. But because it's fractions and we always, it's easy to make a mistake in the fractions, that's why I do it on the side for the learner that makes a mistake. Okay? Question 8. How many terms are here? 2. Also known as what? Binomial. Okay. So what do I do here? To get rid of the brackets, multiply the 2 here. Then the negative 3. 2 times a? 2a. 2 times negative 3b? Negative 6b. Negative 3 times a? Negative 3a. Negative 3 times 2b? Negative 6b. What do I do now? Like terms. Okay. So what is 2a minus 3a? Negative a. Negative 6b minus 6b? Negative 12. Okay. Any confusion there? Number 9. How many terms are here? Huh? 2 terms. Right. Also known as binomial. So it's going to be 2x minus. Is it like terms in the numerator? Yes. So 4x minus 2x. 2x over. Got 2x minus. 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 go into 2 ones. So it's going to be x. 2x minus x. Okay. Let's go to number 10. How many terms are here? 2 terms. Makes it a binomial. Get rid of the brackets. So what's 2 times x? 2 times negative 3. Negative times positive. X. Negative times negative. Positive. So what do I look for now? Like. So 2x minus 2x. X. Minus 6 plus 3. Now we are told, simplify the expression, write your answer in descending powers of x and answer the following question. So I must do first, I must write the numbers in, I must write it in descending powers. Oh, you must simplify the expression first. So we only look for like terms. Okay, so it's 5x squared, negative 4x squared and x squared, minus 8x minus x, 3x cubed, and that is on its own as well. Not so? So if they want you to write it in descending powers as well, so we're going to start with the highest exponent on x. Not so? So the highest exponent on x is x cubed. Not so? So I got 3x cubed. So that one is up. Now I'm going to look for x squares. No? So 5x squared minus 4x squared is what? X squared. And x squared plus x squared? 2x squared. So it's plus 2x squared. So that's also out. I'm just doing that so that I can make sure I have accounted for everything. What's negative 8x minus x? Negative 9x. Minus. So they have written it in descending powers of x as well. Not so? Now it says in number 1, what is the degree of the expression? So what is the degree? The degree is the highest exponent on x. And what's the highest exponent on x? 3. So it's the third degree. You see that? It's 3. Okay. So it's the third degree. Okay. Number 2. How many terms in this expression? 4 terms. 4 terms is also known as what? A polynomial. 4 more terms is polynomial. Number 3. What is the constant term? So the constant term has no variable, no unknown next to it. Okay. So the constant term is negative. Number 4. What is the coefficient? People, what's the coefficient? It's the number in front. What's the coefficient of x? Or the x term? So this is the x cubed term. The coefficient here is 3. What's the coefficient of x squared? 2. So what is the coefficient of x? Not 9. Negative 9. Must be negative. Because then the negative is part of the coefficient. Okay. Any confusion there? Number 5. Number 5 says determine the value of the expression, that's the expression they're referring to, or that they, if x is equal to negative 4. It's actually not, you can't use the first one because it says here write your answer in descending powers of x and then. So I must use this one here. Okay. I must use it. Okay? You all okay with that? So wherever I see an x, I put the? No.
-1.
-1. You can't just say 1. What's wrong with you? So I got 3 open brackets. -1 cubed plus 2 times -1 squared. I'm doing the substitution first. -1 minus. You all agree with that? So what do I do from here? Simplify. So it's going to be negative cubed is -1 plus -1 squared is +1. My negative times negative is +9 minus 3. What's positive times negative? Negative. 3 times 1 is 3 plus. Positive times positive? Positive. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 9 minus 3. So, what is -3 plus 2? -1. -1 plus 9? 8. 8 minus 3? 5. So, the answer is? Okay. Yes, my girl. Sorry? Original one, you lose them all. Why? Because it specifically says you must then use. Okay. You don't want to follow instructions, you want to be the rebel. Huh? Princess? Can you be a rebel? People, they say subtract 4a minus 3b plus 2d from minus a minus 5c minus d. What do we do? Underline from, and whatever follows from you write first. So it's -a minus 5c minus d minus 4a minus 3b plus 2. So what do I do now? What do I do now? Get rid of the brackets by multiplying out, not so. So you're going to get -a minus 5c minus d. Negative times positive, -4a. Negative times negative, positive 3b. Positive times negative, -2d. So what do I do now? Like terms. So -a minus 4a. Minus 5c is on its own, not so. So we'll take this off here. So 5c on its own, d and 2d, and b is on its own, not so? So you got minus a minus 4a, -5, minus 5c, not so? Now I'm at negative d now, minus d minus 2d, negative 3d. I accounted for a and plus d. Okay, you guys understand? Huh? Yes, Michael? Oh, you did vertical one below the other. That is 100% correct. So you got rid of the bracket and then you said minus a minus 5c minus d, and then you said minus 4a plus 3b minus 2d. Like it? And you added no problem. So that's -5a minus 5c minus 3d plus d. Huh? Okay, that's fine. Who copied that? Got the same thing? Nobody? Okay, nice. Okay. D. We're going to square roots now. So what's the square root of 16? 4. So that's going to give you 4a. 6 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remember, if there's no number there, there's a 2 there. Okay, for square root. People, if you can simplify inside the bracket first, do so. Is there anything that can simplify in that bracket first? No. So what's the square root of 9? 3x. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Over 5, square root of 25? 5y, 2 over 2. This gives you 3x to the 1 over 5 1. Do I need to do the second step? No. We can go straight into the answer. Get full marks. Okay. Yes, Michael. Sorry? The orange for me? No. So why's your hand up? Sorry?
She has to go to music.
Music. Why you book your music during a maths lesson? No, I spoke to Mr. Engel already. He said if you guys get maths in your lesson, then you must tell him, as soon as you get the message that you got music, you must tell him you got maths in that period. Then they rebook you somewhere else. Okay? So in future, my God, no? But you're getting an A for maths, no? Normally. So if you're getting an A for maths, you can go. She's getting an A for maths. Yes? Go. Right, so what's the cube root of 8? 2. 8. 3 over 3 is 1. Plus. Square root of 36? 6. 8. 2 over 2 is? Like or unlike? Like. 2a plus 6a. See any confusion there? No. Our flight attendant is sleeping. The back. The cube root of a negative number will always be negative. The cube root of 27? 3. X 6 over 3. So it's negative 3x. 6 over 3 is negative 3x squared. Right, you guys understand? Any confusion? No. For homework is exercise 4 on page 87. Yes? Yeah, we're going to mark now.
Exercise by the